Hello everyone, welcome to AM Sci Academy and I, Komal Ma'am, will start with class 10th, chapter 4 quadratic equation. The sum of the ages of a man and his son is 45 years. Sum means total of the age of father and the son, that is 45 years. 5 years ago means before 5 years, 5 साल पहले, the product of their ages in years was 124. Product means multiplication. जब father और son की age का multiplication करा तो we got as 124 and we need to find out the present age यानी कि अभी father and the son कितने years के हैं we need to find out. So let us start with the solution. The very first part will write let the प्रेजेंट एज यानी कि अभी हम फादर की एज को एक्स कंसिडर करते हैं बिकॉज वी डोंट नो द प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ द फादर. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट वी कैन राइट डाउन लेट द प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ द मैन बी एक्स years. Second statement we will write related to the age of the son. So father की एज एक्स हमने कंसिडर करी है. बट सम मीन्स टोटल ऑफ फादर एंड सन इज़ 45. तो अगर हम फादर की एज दैट वी हैव कंसिडर एज एक्स 45 में से एक्स को माइनस कर देंगे तो विल गेट द एज ऑफ सन. सो द प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ द सन दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 45 माइनस एक्स years. So here we took present age of father and the son as x and 45 minus x years. The next statement will write down that 5 years ago यानी कि 5 साल पहले. The second statement will find out for the product. So 5 years ago के पहले अगर क्या statement बनेगा, so age of the men 5 years ago we will get that is x minus 5 यानी 5 साल पहले की अगर हमें age find out करनी है तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, present age से हम माइनस कर देंगे. So we'll get that is x minus 5 years. अब सन की एज फाइंड आउट करनी है. सो एज ऑफ द सन 5 years अगो. सो प्रेजेंट की एज 45 माइनस एक्स है, उसमें से भी हम 5 को माइनस कर देंगे. सो विल गेट हियर दैट इज 45 माइनस एक्स माइनस 5. अब 45 में से 5 को माइनस कर देंगे. सो विल गेट दैट इज 40 माइनस एक्स years. Because 45 is addition, 5 is in minus, so plus minus is minus, so we'll get as 40 minus x. So here we are having product. Product means x minus 5 into 40 minus x. इसका product हमारे पास दे रखा है that is 124. So we'll mention here that is 124 over here. Let us solve and open the bracket. So x into 40. So we'll get as 40x. So we'll mention here that is 40x and x into x will get us x square, but plus minus is minus, so minus x square. 5 into 40, so 5 40s are, that will get us 200 because 5 4s are is 20 and 0 will remain as it is. So minus 200 minus minus will become plus and 5 into x that is 5x is equal to 124. Now x and x की वैल्यू को हम ऐड कर देते हैं because 40 plus 5 so we'll get as 45 and x square will remain as it is, but जो power greater है we write as first. So minus x square plus 45x minus 200 equals to 124 जो इसका product है. Next we have that is minus x square plus 45x minus 200 minus 124 equals to 0. So minus minus will become plus, but our first sign can never be the negative. So we need to change the sign also. So यहाँ पे x square को will make as positive. So x square positive 45 will become negative 45x and minus minus it will become plus. But the sign earlier was in subtraction and now we are having in the addition. So we'll get as positive 324 equals to 0. Now we need to do the middle term splitting. Many times it becomes very difficult to find out the values of x. So here we'll consider a equals to 1, b equals to minus 45 and c is equal to 324. और हम फॉर्मूला जो लेंगे for the quadratic equation, that is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So we are going to apply this formula and solve the question. So यहाँ पे b की value we are having, that is minus 45. So minus into minus 45, then plus minus b square. So b value is minus 45, so write as minus 45 the whole square minus 4, a की value हमारे पास है 1 and c that is 324. So we'll take as 324 upon 2, a value की 1 है, so we'll put the value of a equals to 1. So 2 ones are, it will become 2 only. Minus minus will become plus, so here we'll get the value of 45 in addition. So here positive 45 plus minus अब 45 का square root. So what will be the square root of 45? So let us multiply 45 into 45. 5 5s are 25, to carry 5 down, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 2 is 22, 5 4s is 20, to carry 0 down, 4 4s are 16 and 16 plus 2 that is 18. So यहाँ पे हमें मिलेगा that is 2025. So यहाँ पे 45 का square root we got that is 2025. The next one we need to multiply, that is 4 into a into c. So the value of a is 1. So 1 के साथ किसी भी number को multiply करेंगे, the answer will be 1 only. So we have to multiply, that is 324 multiplied by 4. So we'll get as 1296. So let us place the value over here. So the square root of 45 is 2025 minus 4ac की value हमें मिली है, that is 1296 upon 2 1s is 2. So directly we'll write as 2. Now let us open the bracket, square root की. So here we will get that is 45 plus minus under root. So now 15 minus 6 will get as 9. 11 minus 9, so we'll get as 2, and 9 minus 2 will get as 7. 1 minus 1 is 0. So under root 729 we will get. Now divided by 2. We need to find out the square root of 729. So first of all we'll write as 45 plus minus. Now we can do here the division method to get the exact accurate square root. So first of all we'll make the pair from the right to the left side. So 7 remains single, so 2 2s are 4. So 7 minus 4 will get as 3. Quotient का 2 और जो हमारा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड का 2 है will add, so we'll get as 4. 29 हम नीचे लेकर आएंगे because 7 minus 4 is 3. Now we'll multiply. 9 दो टेबल में आता है, 3 3s are 9 and 7 7s are 49. So we took the values from the 7. So we got as 27 का जो square है that is 729, and 729 का square root will get as 27. So through this method we can easily find out. That is divided by 2. So 45 plus 27 divided by 2, and 45 minus 27, that also is divided by 2. So 45 plus 27, so 5 plus 4 will get as 12. So 1 carry, 2 down, and 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So we'll get as 72 divided by 2. The next is 45 minus 27. So यहाँ पे 15 minus 7, so we'll get as 8, and 3 minus 2 will get as 1. So 18 by 2 will get this another part. Now let us divide and check. So 2 1s are 2, 2 36 are, that is 72, and 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are. So the first part of x value we got as 36, and the another one we got as 9. So we can mention the values of x. So यहाँ पे we can write it down as x equals to 36 or x equals to 9 for this given solution over here. So here our solution for this question is completed, and I hope you understood the video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.